What's good, everybody? It's your boy Kimo Commercial. So I'm back with another video. Like I promised, I'm gonna be active right now. So today I'm looking at German 30, and lately I've been reading German 30 for no sorry, I've been reading German 30 for some time now, and it works for me. So yeah, let's look into German 30. If you look into German 30 on the 4-hour time frame, you're actually bullish, man. But then at the same time, we're on a bearish movement. If you take like this Fibonacci tool from here to there, but nonetheless, let me drop down to a 15 minutes time frame because I'm actually focusing on London session right now, because it's London session in South African time, and this is a live trade for me. I've already sent the setup to my group. I'll attach the screenshot to it in here. And yeah, so if we look into this pair, we had like a high, then we had like a lower low, we had a lower high, lower low, and a lower high and lower low. So you know what's gonna happen next. We're supposed to have like a lower high and then a lower low, right? Reason being, in as much as I said like you're on the bullish momentum currently, but that doesn't mean you cannot have sells, like because I'm using the Fibonacci tool, and it indicated that we are supposed to be buying, but then 75-25%, we still have like the remaining 25% that we can delve into right now. And if I use like we all know, I don't use trend line like that, but I'm just trying to show you what's happening right now. So if you use this trend line, and you can tell we've been like on the bearish movement for a while now, and yesterday I had buys on German 30. I actually entered somewhere around here and then sorry, not there actually. Yes, I entered somewhere around here and I got out around this point, and then that's when it started selling again, right? So let's not talk too much, man. We'll focus on current price. And if I do take a loss, man, it's okay, And by the look of that, I can already tell that this is a supply zone, or you can say this is a supply zone actually. On its own, this is a supply zone, cleanest one so far. But then I'm not using supply and demand zones like that anymore. And then here I cannot say we are having a break of structure to the downside, because we don't have like a full body candle closure after this low. So you can say equal lows were broken out down, and we took liquidity at this point. Actually, and then this looks like a demand zone. Yes, it is a demand zone, but at the same time we didn't break this high, so we cannot say we had a change of character here because we haven't broken this high yet. I'll delve into this thing like more on the series that I'm dropping very soon, because you saw I dropped like a part 1 video of like understanding market structure. But yeah, so we had like a liquidity sweep here also at the same time. This was our, by the way, let me show you something. This is our liquidity sweep. And guys, I keep on saying, just because like I'm doing this analysis doesn't mean it has to go my way. I might take losses here and there. That's part of the game, and it's normal. It's okay, as long as you can bounce back. So if you've been to this channel for way too long, you know that I prefer my address to like this. If I take this low and I take this one, chances I'm gonna enter sales at this point. So this is what's happening actually. The scenario is more or less the same, but like I said, this is a supply zone. Already I'm in a bit of profit. I'm actually planning to hold, I entered on 3 accounts, one of which is my personal account from Xness, and my 2-step challenge on I could find a trader. and my instant funded account from Equity Edge. So now that we are here, sorry, not the demand zone, man. My bad, this is a mistake. This is a supply zone. To make things simple, you can say it's a POI, point of interest. For those who are not familiar with like SMC times, because the supply and this demand, supply is where we sell, demand is where we buy. For instance, if like you're a shop owner or anyone who's in business, whenever you supply people, you're giving them what you have, of which is like you're selling your own stock. And demand in simple terms is the demand is the number of quantity of goods that is needed by people you call your consumers, your customers, so basically they are buying that thing from you. Because like when it comes to trading, like we are exchanging things. For instance, if you like you're a customer, you're buying something, you're exchanging your money for that product. And as a business owner, or whoever that is selling that thing, I'm exchanging my product for the money. So yeah, that's what's happening. And then if you place your Fibonacci tool here, you'll see that okay, the 75% zone that I'm always talking about is here. So this is where I had my entries on all 3 accounts. So I placed my stop loss above this high, not exactly this high, because some brokers like have spreads that might take me out, but then I'm placing my take profit at this low. It can go even further, but I don't want to be greedy like that, man. So this is actually my setup for the day, and this is what I sent to the community channel. This is my personal trades. This is not what I'm saying people should do, or people should take a trade in this direction. And whatever that they do, man, it's up to them to decide whether they're taking this trade or not. So yeah, I'll be back with an update from this video, and during the week I'll drop some few videos on understanding or mastering market structure, not market structure, smart money concepts, because I'm done with like market structure, explaining like certain details. Even though it was like an old video, but there's information there. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can share with your friends, anyone who's close to you, who's interested in trading, so that they can check like my trading journey. So it's your boy Kimo Commercial. I'll be back with an update later. Bye.
Okay guys, so this is an update. So I'm on my phone right now. This is an update from the video that I took like an hour ago. So basically you see here it says German 40. So here it's on good funded trader. So I made like 55 USD. Then on this one I made like almost 25 USD, and on this one I made like 4.42 USD. So this one is my personal account, because it was I'm doing a 500 rands to 5,000 rand challenge, but I'm not giving myself a timeline. So yeah, so on this one I was trying to secure a payout tomorrow. So yeah, I'll secure a payout, probably like get another account, or just keep the money to myself, because my payout is due tomorrow. And on this one I'm still on phase 1. So yeah, nonetheless, I played out the way you want to. Yeah, don't mind that picture, but yeah. So this is where German date is right now. So I'm not planning to hold the entire day. So I'm just gonna close and do other things. So I'm done for the day. Probably down for the week on some accounts. So yeah, it's your boy Kimo signing out.